Apple is reportedly preparing to enter an entirely new product category with its first-ever foldable iPhone, widely referred to in leaks as the iPhone Ultra Fold. If these rumors are accurate, this could be one of the most important product launches in Apple's history, marking the company's bold move into the foldable smartphone market. Expected to debut alongside iOS 27 in September, the device is said to combine cutting-edge hardware, next-generation software, and a completely new user experience designed for both productivity and entertainment. Unlike traditional iPhones that focus on incremental upgrades, the iPhone Ultra Fold is expected to introduce a fundamentally new form factor. According to multiple leaks and early software references, Apple is not just building another smartphone, but rather a hybrid device that bridges the gap between an iPhone and an iPad mini. One of the biggest clues about Apple's foldable ambitions came from WWDC and early iOS 27 development hints. Apple reportedly encouraged developers to design apps that adapt smoothly to multiple screen sizes, dynamic layouts, and changing aspect ratios. This strongly suggests that iOS 27 is being built from the ground up with foldable devices in mind. iOS 27 is expected to introduce advanced multitasking features, including resizable app windows, split-screen workflows, and improved gesture controls. These upgrades are specifically designed to take full advantage of a foldable display, allowing users to seamlessly switch between compact phone mode and expanded tablet mode without breaking workflow. Leaked prototype information suggests that the iPhone Ultra Fold will feature a compact folding design that opens into a larger tablet-style display similar in size to an iPad mini. When folded, it functions as a regular smartphone, but when unfolded, it transforms into a productivity-focused device ideal for media consumption, gaming, and professional tasks. Apple's signature design language is expected to remain intact, with premium materials, ultra-precise engineering, and a focus on durability. Dummy models and early renders indicate a refined build that maintains Apple's minimalist aesthetic while introducing an entirely new mechanical structure. One of the most exciting innovations is the rumored foldable display technology combined with a liquid metal hinge system. References found within iOS 27 code such as fold state and angle tracking suggest that the device will intelligently adapt apps based on the folding angle. The liquid metal hinge is expected to be one of Apple's biggest engineering breakthroughs in years. Unlike existing foldable phones that often suffer from visible creases and durability concerns, Apple is reportedly aiming for a near-perfect seamless display experience. This hinge system could also significantly improve long-term durability, ensuring smooth folding action even after hundreds of thousands of folds. In terms of aesthetics, early leaks suggest Apple may keep things extremely premium and minimal at launch. The iPhone Ultra Fold is expected to debut in a limited color selection, likely including a refined silver-white finish. While this may seem restrictive compared to other smartphones, it aligns with Apple's strategy of positioning this device as a high-end experimental product rather than a mass-market release. Inside, the software experience is where things get even more interesting. iOS 27 is expected to be heavily optimized for foldable usage, with adaptive app layouts that automatically adjust depending on whether the device is folded or unfolded. Native Apple apps such as Messages, Safari, Apple Music, and Weather are rumored to support full landscape optimization and dynamic resizing. Multitasking will be one of the biggest selling points of the iPhone Ultra Fold. Users may be able to run 2 or more apps side by side, drag and drop content between windows, and use productivity tools in a way that feels closer to a laptop or tablet experience than a traditional smartphone. For example, you could attend a FaceTime call while taking notes, edit documents while browsing the web, or watch videos while responding to messages, all on a single device. This level of flexibility could make the Ultra Fold one of the most powerful mobile productivity tools ever created. Battery life is also expected to be significantly upgraded to support the larger display and multitasking demands. Leaks suggest a massive 5,800 mAh battery, making it potentially the largest battery ever used in an iPhone. Combined with the efficiency of iOS 27 and next-generation silicon, this could deliver all-day heavy usage even under demanding workloads. Connectivity upgrades are also part of the package. The device is rumored to feature Apple's next-generation C2 modem along with a new N2 Wi-Fi chip. These components are expected to deliver faster speeds, stronger signal reliability, and improved efficiency in low-coverage areas. One of the most futuristic rumored features is advanced satellite connectivity. While current iPhones support emergency satellite messaging, the iPhone Ultra Fold may expand this into more advanced functionality, potentially allowing basic app usage, navigation, and messaging even without cellular coverage. This would make it especially useful for travelers, hikers, and remote workers. Another standout feature is the dual-camera FaceTime system. According to leaks, Apple may allow users to utilize both the front and rear cameras during video calls. This would enable a split perspective, letting users show their surroundings while remaining visible on screen at the same time. The foldable form factor makes this experience far more natural and versatile than on standard smartphones. Accessory leaks have also started to appear, including cases specifically designed for the foldable structure. These early accessories suggest Apple is already preparing a full ecosystem of products around the Ultra Fold, ensuring protection, usability, and seamless integration from day one. On the software side, iOS 27 is expected to introduce multiple fold-specific enhancements. These include adaptive UI transitions, enhanced gesture navigation, and intelligent app resizing. The goal is to make switching between folded and unfolded states feel completely natural without disrupting user experience. All of these innovations point toward a major shift in Apple's strategy. The iPhone Ultra Fold is not just another flagship smartphone, it represents a new direction for the entire iPhone lineup. By combining foldable hardware with deeply optimized software, Apple is aiming to create a device that serves multiple roles: smartphone, tablet, and productivity hub all in one. If these leaks prove accurate, Apple's entry into the foldable market could redefine expectations for the entire industry. While competitors have already experimented with foldable devices, Apple's ecosystem integration, software optimization, and hardware precision could set a completely new standard. As the expected September launch approaches alongside iOS 27, excitement continues to grow around what could be one of Apple's most ambitious projects ever. The iPhone Ultra Fold is shaping up to be more than just a new product. It could mark the beginning of a new era in mobile computing, where flexibility, productivity, and portability finally come together in one seamless device.